Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to use charts or graph with your C# application. So let's get started. We are going to need the chart tool for that. So go to your toolbox and in there go to data section and pick up this chart tool from there and place it into your form and resize it according to your need, so like this. And I will need a button to load the chart, so this, and I will change the name of this chart, text of this chart, so load chart, and we are going to write the code for this. Before writing the code, I want to show some properties of this chart. So just select this chart and go to the properties here and search for this series in the properties and just click this button and you come to the properties. So for example, you want to show the name versus age chart of column type, so it will show bars on your chart, right? And I want to change this series as age, so I will go to the name here and I will change it age. Okay, and also there are more useful properties which you can use from here, like you can choose a background image for your chart. So just go to click that button and just take a image from there and just select it and it will show into your chart. You see, I have picked up the image and it's showing in my chart already. So in this way you can customize your chart. There are some more properties like border. You can design a border. For example, I want to show a red border and I want to show green bars, so this also you can change. And in here you can select what type of graph you want to show. So by default it's selected column, but you can also change the type to line or whatever you want. What type of chart you want, you can just select from here. So just do the settings and your chart is ready to use. Okay, and now just click this load button and first of all just see the name of your chart. So this is chart 1 and just double click your button. In here we are going to write a code for loading a name versus age chart. So I will write this dot chart 1 dot series, and in the series you will pass the series name. In my case it's age, then dot, I think these brackets are square bracket instead of these brackets. Okay, and then write dot points dot add xy points and bracket closed. So we are going to show the XY chart in our chart frame. So here we are going to pass two variables. One is name on the x-axis, so for example double quotes Max comma his age 33. Okay, so this is the first bar of your chart. So if you want to show more, just copy and paste, and age will remain same because it's the series name, and just change the name Carl Mark Ali 20 50 and 40 for example. So write this, and now let's try to run the program. And once again username and password is correct, and here we are. So whenever I press this load button, my chart should appear here. I press it, and you can see the chart for the age versus name comes here. Okay, but suppose you want to show the scores of these persons also. So you want to show the age of these names, and you want to show what score they have scored. So how can I achieve this two bars in a same chart? I will show you how you can achieve that. So just stop debugging, and now, so here in the previous example I have shown you only one bar chart, but in this example I will show you how to show two or more than two bar charts in the same chart frame. So just select this chart, once again go to the series, and we will add a new member and just change its name. Once again you will find it here itself. So this time I want to add a score of those names, score, and all things are auto. If you want to change the color you can change, but I want to leave everything as default, so just I left everything default, and you already see two bars on your chart. And the code for it, just go to the button and button click event, and here we will make some spaces, one more, and just copy the same code here and paste it just below that. And this time the series name is score, so I will change the name score here, 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 and here, and their scores now I want to represent. So for example they score some marks out of 100, so Max scores 90 marks, Carl scores 70, Mark scores 56, and Ali scores only 30 marks. So write this code and try to run the program once again. Username and password correct, and when I press this load button you can see both bars are appearing according to their age and the score. So in this way you can utilize this chart to show your own data, and this chart can be used in your application. In the next video, perhaps I will show you how can you link this chart with your database. So I will be having some data in the database and I want to link this chart with the database values. So how can I use that and how can I achieve that? I will show you probably in the next video. So please stay tuned and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.